You ever moved into a brand new neighborhood? You get there, you're unpacking the truck and you're kind of looking down the street and seeing, oh, this looks like a nice place. And then you got a neighbor who walks up and says, hey, can I help you? And they start helping you with the boxes, bring those in the house. And then maybe a few days later, you realize, gosh, we don't have any sugar. So you awkwardly go to the next door, like, hey, can I borrow a cup of sugar? And I'm like, yeah, sure, here's a cup of sugar. And then you begin to be more integrated in that community. You start participating in community events and you start having a great time. You make the best friends of your life. Yeah, that is what community is all about. So I am here to invite you to the Trainual Community. This is the place where we have people from all over the world, literally, who are using Trainual in their businesses, various different businesses, different ways they're using it. Everyone has something to contribute. Everyone can help each other out. That's what the Trainual Community is all about. So I'm inviting you, join us, have a great time, get to know the people, share your tips, tricks, and wins. We want to hear it all. Let's work together and build a better Trainual playbook in your business.